Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your SIM is active and mobile data is on. This avoids wasted troubleshooting later. Once done, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. This path may vary slightly by Android skin. Make sure you're on the correct SIM slot if the phone has two. Next, tap Access Point names to view existing entries. You're now positioned to add a new APN. Don't skip confirming carrier details first so you can input accurate values. Tap Add or the plus icon to create a new APN and start entering settings provided by your carrier. Input name and APN exactly as given, then fill MMSC and MMS proxy if you need picture messaging. For authentication, select PAP or CHAP only if specified. Make sure MCC and MNC match your carrier. Wrong codes prevent registration. Finally, choose APN type, default, MMS, Supple, and APN protocol. Prefer IP4/. After entering values, tap the menu and save, then tap the new APN to make it active. You must select it, not just leave it listed. Once selected, toggle airplane mode on and off or reboot the phone to force the network to re-register using the new profile. Test mobile browsing and send an MMS to confirm. If data fails, verify every field for typos and correct APN type. This single mismatch is the most common issue to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.